Hey everyone, it's me, Desiree Marie, and I'm back here again to do yet another hairstyling video where I'm going to be curling my locks with the silicone curlers. Oh boy. I just wanted to welcome you all, those of you who are my crew, who are called my subbies, and welcome if you're watching me for the first time and you've never seen me ever before. I'm Desiree Marie and I talk about my locks. I love sharing my journey from when I started with braid locks, redid them, did 2-strand twists, all the way up until this very moment now, 3 years later. I'm still locked. And I show you everything from the washing, maintaining, and styling of my hair. I also come on camera to answer a lot of you guys' questions concerning locks and natural hair care. So you're always guaranteed something fun and fresh here on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the crew. And you always get something new and cool in your notifications. But yes, welcome to yet another video. It's been a while since I've curled my hair, and I found the perfect opportunity to do so because my mom is in town and she just recently purchased these silicone hair curlers, and I thought, okay, what better time than now to actually try them out. One of you guys, one of my subbies actually mentioned these silicone curlers in a live video that I did previously. And so I've always wanted to try these and I'm so excited to try them. So this is what it looks like. I believe when my subby told me about it, she said like she called them covers, which I hope I don't get demonetized for that word, but it was just really funny when she mentioned the name. And so I looked online and I found all sorts of different stuff, of course, when you look that up. But then I ran into these. So I'm so happy that I don't have to actually spend money on this. Now I get to try it out for free because these are my mom's. And she purchased like 30 of these. So I'm probably going to have to back up with some other curlers, but she curled her hair with this a few days ago and she used all 30 of them, but she recommended that in order to use these you must use one on each lock. You can't, you can't take 2 locks or more locks and try to curl it like you do with my favorite Goody Sponge Rollers. You have to curl your locks individually or it will not come out as you want it to. So I already know this is only going to cover like maybe a third of my head, and so then I'm going to go ahead and curl the rest of my hair with my Goody Foam Rollers, just to complete the rest of the hair coverage. Yeah, let me know down below if you've ever tried this or if you have been wanting to. I'm excited to finally get my hands on them and see what they can do for me. So yeah. All right, so first of all, I never have the things that I need when I am actually doing a video, or they are all over the place. Okay, so the first thing that you would want to do is moisturize your hair and use some kind of setting technique. My mom actually has this here, the Originals Olive Oil Setting Lotion, Moisture, Shine, and Hold. It's only a little bit of it. I'm gonna try this out. I'm going to try this out in combination with my Spritz leave-in spray. Let me just go ahead and get it. Hold on, guys. So, okay, so what I need to do here is organize myself.
3 hours later.
All right, so if you are doing this too, you're definitely going to want to use some banana clips to keep the hair organized. What I'm gonna do is just go ahead and section all of this, put it up into a ponytail made by my own locks. Oh, wait a minute, hold up. I'm doing this all the wrong way. Okay, so now that I've finished the back, I'm gonna get started on using these, I'm in shambles right now, using these silicone rollers. I tried to leave enough hair in the front. I know this is way over 30 locks, but I tried to leave enough so that I can use as many as I possibly can and clip that. And I've never seen a video on how to use this, how to put it on, so I guess I'm just gonna wing it. So this is how it folds. So it's gonna have to fold and be like this. These are actually rumored to be a lot more comfortable to sleep in. All right, so guessing that I'm trying to fold it like this, I'm gonna have to curl my hair like this. So I'm going to start at the root and just wrap it around like that. And boop. Okay, that was pretty easy. That was easier than I anticipated. By the way, this, I like it. However, I know I could do a lot better with the chemicals. It does not contain alcohol or mineral oil, but the ingredients are a little less ideal, especially for my routine and what I put in my hair. I'm going to do it the same way I did the first one and lay it down at the root first. I find that to be the easiest way. And these are pretty simple. These are very easy to put on. Hey sis, I know that you're enjoying this video so far, but I just wanted to remind you that we are doing a big giveaway in celebration of a brand new subscription box service just for us women with locks called the No-Heat Curl Club. This is a quarterly subscription club, making it so much easier to get access to the quality products that work for us women and men with locks. So many of us do not have access to the quality products that will help us with our hair issues, such as dry and flaky scalp, alopecia, and so much more. We support Black-owned businesses and women entrepreneurs who are doing their thing, producing the best in quality hair, skin, beauty, and lifestyle items. So if you would like to win some money in celebration of this upcoming subscription box, all you have to do is click the link down below and enter your email address. This contest is open to everyone and it will close on November the 17th. All right, so that's enough with the church announcements. Let's get back into the video. You just have to make sure that this part here, oops. Okay, just when I say it's simple, it becomes difficult. I need my edges. Like, I'm not trying to lose my edges over these hair curlers. I think my mom was, oof. Some of my spray got in my eye. I think my mom was kind of exaggerating. I think it is possible that you could use two at a time, so I'm gonna try that. You know what this reminds me of? When I used to go to the hair salon and get my hair done and they would sit me under the dryer with like ear covers, the pink ear covers, so that my ears wouldn't burn because the dryer was so hot. If you have not heard about my horror stories having to do with hairstylists, I'll link that video up above because I have some pretty traumatic hair experiences. All right, so I'm basically going to just kind of put them all around my head. I'm not going to do one at a time, one lock at a time. I'm going to use two because I think that it's possible, and my mom was possibly over exaggerating, so yeah. Alright, so as you can see, there is a big difference in the curl pattern when you look at these curls that were used with the Goody curlers and these that were used with the silicone curlers. There is a looser wave pattern that you get with these than what you get with these. So it's actually okay. I mean, it's not a huge difference where I can't wear the two curl patterns together. I can kind of, you know, fix it up in a way, oh, missed one, in a way that it isn't so noticeable. It's not so noticeable, it really isn't bad. And it looks great. So I would say that this curler is a great curler to use on locks. It's actually a whole lot easier to use them on locks than with loose natural hair. And I only had these in for overnight, a few hours. So if you're interested in purchasing these, I will include a link down below for you. As you can see, I need to kind of fix up my hair just to make sure that everything is everything, you know? Sometimes I like my side part. I don't know. But let me know down below what you think about these curlers and if you would try them yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope that you were slightly entertained and that you were encouraged to possibly purchase these because you get a decent curl. Whether you're baby locked, you know, about 3 years locked like me, or a little bit older in your lock journey, these are actually pretty cool to use. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to finagle this thing, make it look more like what I want. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. Comment down below what you think, and also subscribe because I upload almost every day for you fresh new videos just to inspire and encourage you on your lock journey. Also follow me on Instagram. I am itsDesireeMarie_. You can hit me up on there, DM me. I'm available on there when I'm not here. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.